Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get Google search bar on Samsung home screen. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to get the Google search bar on your Samsung home screen, all you need to do is press and hold an empty space on your Samsung home screen. Locate and click on widget. Now, under widget, you want to scroll down until you get to the Google application. So just keep scrolling and click on Google. Once you click on that, search through and then locate the Google search bar. Click on it and then click on Add. Now press and hold the Google search bar and drag it wherever you want to put it on your home screen. Then expand it, click outside to save changes. And that's it. So that's exactly how to get Google search bar on Samsung home screen. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.